We want you to get to your destination as quickly and efficiently as possible by helping you choose the right Sat Nav and show you how to keep it up to date with the ever-changing roads. Before we begin, what are the benefits of a Sat Nav? They estimate the time of arrival, warn you of speed cameras and speed limits, advise you on which lane to get into, and some models even come with live traffic updates. Every Sat Nav bought from Halfords has UK and Republic of Ireland mapping. However, you can also buy Sat Navs with European or world mapping for those exciting trips abroad. Have a little think about what kind of journeys you'll be using your Sat Nav for. Are you a keen explorer? You'll want extra maps and a points of interest features so you know the best places to visit. If you're looking to avoid certain motorways or tolls, you can just program your Sat Nav to make sure this is the case. It'll tailor your journey and pick the right route for you. Nice and easy. For those of you that commute to work, take a look at Sat Navs that come with live traffic updates and Bluetooth connectivity. It'll warn you of any delays and suggest alternative routes. Sat Navs can and should be updated regularly. This feature is extremely useful given how frequently the roads change. You don't want to be travelling down roads that don't exist. To update your Sat Nav, simply connect one end of the cable to your Sat Nav and the other end to your computer. You'll then need to find the manufacturer's website and download their most recent software. The website will let you know when the software has fully downloaded onto your Sat Nav. When it reaches 100%, just unplug the cable from the device and you're ready to enjoy all the new features of your Sat Nav. If you'd like to see our full range of products, simply pop down to your local Halfords store or head to our website.